Hi, welcome to Grammar Language Learning Space. My name is TF. In this video, I'm going to show you some simple German phrases which you can use to start a conversation with someone in Germany or somewhere else. If you want to know more about this, continue watching this video. Now, listen to the dialogue between Ben and Peter. They have just met at a cafe and are interested in getting to know each other. See how they start a conversation. As a remark, they use the informal form of you, du to address each other. If you want to know the different forms of you in German, you can watch my previous video on meet and greet people in German. So now the dialogue. Hallo, ich bin Ben. Wie heißt du?
Hallo Ben, ich heiße Peter.
Schön, dich kennenzulernen. Wie alt bist du?
Ich bin 40 Jahre alt. Wie alt bist du?
Ich bin 30 Jahre alt.
Woher kommst du?
Ich komme aus Malaysia. Und du?
Ich bin aus Deutschland.
Und aus welcher Stadt bist du?
Ich bin aus Berlin.
Okay. Did you get what Ben and Peter told each other? Yes, about their names, age, and origins. To give you a chance to practice, I'll show you the dialogue again together with the English translation. This time, I'll speak slower. Ben. Hallo, ich bin Ben. Wie heißt du? Hello, I'm Ben. What's your name? Peter. Hallo Ben, ich heiße Peter. Hi Ben, my name is Peter. Continue. Ben. Schön, dich kennenzulernen. Wie alt bist du? Nice to meet you. How old are you? Peter. Ich bin 40 Jahre alt. Wie alt bist du? I'm 40 years old. How old are you? Ben. Ich bin 30 Jahre alt. I'm 30 years old. Peter. Woher kommst du? Where do you come from? Ben. Ich komme aus Malaysia. Und du? I come from Malaysia. And you? Peter. Ich bin aus Deutschland. I'm from Germany. Continue. Ben. Und aus welcher Stadt bist du? And what city are you from? Peter. Ich bin aus Berlin. I'm from Berlin. To recap what we have just learned, if you want to know someone's name, you can ask, wie heißt du? To answer, ich bin or ich heiße, followed by your name. If you want to know someone's age, you can ask, wie alt bist du? To answer, ich bin Jahre alt. If you want to know where someone comes from, you can ask, woher kommst du? To answer, ich komme aus or ich bin aus, followed by the name of the place or the country you come from. Now, I want to show you numbers in German so that you can tell your age. You can speak after me. 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40, 40. So this is all I want to show you today. In my next video, I'll show you the basic grammar of German language. Stay tuned and please subscribe to Grammar Language Learning Space if you don't want to miss anything. See you. Bis bald.